Hi everyone! Now I will show you how to use our PVC button wrap. This is power cord that needs protection, and this is our PVC button wrap. This product has two sides. One side is black. If black color is not suitable for your cable or wires, then the other gray side is also a good choice. Well, let's go for it right now. Firstly, put the power cord in the surface of PVC button wrap. Then press the button to cover it. It helps us quickly and easily to bundle your cables, keep them neat and tidy, and protect from dust. Meanwhile, it could branch cables and wire harness well. PVC button wrap can tidy up and beautify the wiring fast and easily. It is reusable and has excellent performance of insulation and abrasion resistant.